All right, so welcome to Math 3 Honors. Today I'm just going to go ahead and give a brief overview of the course. So on the Canvas page, we are going to be using the Canvas which says Math 3 Honors Spring 2026. If you have a course for your class like one of these auto-generated ones below, we are going to end up ignoring these. We are only going to be using the one with the picture with the calculator on it instead, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And that will lead us to the home page. Now, the home page, it will give us our calendar modules, and sometimes it'll have our quizzes and things linked to it. So you can generally find that here. Now, right now, it's all pretty much empty because we haven't started the semester yet, but this will fill in more as the semester goes along. If I was to click on last semester's, which you guys obviously would not be able to see, what we would do is we can click on the calendar from here. Again, the modules are the quiz. I'm gonna go back and we're gonna click on the module. And in the module, it will give us a more in-depth day by day of what we're going to be doing, what topics we're gonna cover, assignments, things like that. You can also find the calendar linked here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on our calendar. A lot of the information found on the calendar will be linked as well in the modules. So if you can't find it in one place, it will generally be in the other. So again, it tells us what we're doing. So today, the asynchronous learning day, really all we're doing is we're signing up for our Delta Math, you're completing your student info surveys, and then also you're going to be doing your Unit 0 prereq assessment part 1 on your own paper. So usually things are also linked as a PDF, so you can click on it from the calendar, and here is the assignment you guys are going to be completing today, again on your own paper. And it also tells you what things are going to be graded for the given unit. So in this unit, we'll have the Unit 0 quiz, which will be this Friday, and then all of the prereqs combined. Again, we'll talk about that more once we're back in the classroom. So I'm going to go back to the modules page here. And then again, like I said, you can click on the individual days. So if I click on today, January 27th, this again gives me a more in-depth, detailed version of what we're doing. So again, now it also has the syllabus, which you can go ahead and look at if you would like. Then the same exact information pretty much that was on the calendar for this day. So again, we're going to be familiarized with the Canvas page. You are going to sign up for your Delta Math section, and then you're also going to complete the student info survey. All those things are listed below here. Hopefully this helps and gets you familiar with what exactly is on the Canvas page. And if you have any questions, they will be answered when you guys return to the classroom, hopefully on Wednesday.